super practical planting tips you must not know. There are lots of snails in the garden. Sprinkle coffee grounds around the flowers. It will drive away the snails and other pests. There are many small bugs on the greens. Cover the greens with a plastic bottle. Sprinkle lime powder around the bottle. Repeat this operation. The bugs will not dare to come near. Wash the eggshells and then crush them and sprinkle them in the soil. Not only does it eliminate the bugs, it can also make the plants grow healthily. Cut the dragon fruit open. Scoop out the flesh and crush it with your hands. Put it in water. Mix well, then pour it into the soil. Cover with another layer of soil. Dragon fruit germination. In a few months, it will bloom and produce fruit. Don't throw away the egg shells. Add mung beans and wheat seeds. Pour the right amount of water into them. Soon, the seeds will grow into a nice green plant. Peel off the skin of the strawberry and bury it in the soil. Pour in water. You'll have a lot of strawberries. Follow me. Learn more life tips. Life skills that mom doesn't know. What should I do if my ring is rusty? Wipe it with a banana peel. The ring looks new again. The heel is peeling. Put the banana peel on your foot. Put on socks. Soon the heel becomes fine and smooth. Wires in disarray. Tie the wires together very neatly. Slippers get dirty. Put socks on them. The slippers became cotton shoes. How to do when the leather band becomes loose. Put it in hot water for a while. You can easily restore the original shape. Wear a mask. Glass is easily fogged. Take a bar of soap and wipe it on the lenses. Then wipe the soap off the lenses. Glasses will not be fogged up all day. Leather shoes are too small to fit. Put on a pair of thick socks. Put them in the shoes and heat them up with a hairdryer. The shoes will become bigger. What should I do if the screw is loose? Use a lighter to heat up the plastic pen tube. Melt it and press it on the screw that needs to be controlled. After solidification, unscrew the screw and you're done. Follow me. Teach you more practical tips. Incredible science experiments. You'll never know. Pouring milk into Coke. Coke can turn into a transparent color. Cut off a piece of orange peel. Squeeze out the juice against a balloon filled with water. Balloon explodes instantly. Add white vinegar to the milk. Mix well with a spoon. Then pour it inside the strainer. At the end you will have cheese. Add the waterproof spray on top of the sand. Put the sand in the water. The sand remains dry. It's amazing. Put the necklace into the cup. Pull it with force. The necklace flies out. Soak the egg in white vinegar and you'll have fun skinny eggs. Snap red and white wine together. Hold a card in the middle. Move the card around. The red wine and water will swap places. Use hot melt glue to stick the swabs together. Soak it in soapy water. You get a three-dimensional square bubble. Follow me. Learn more science experiments.